Reprioritizing our humanity is a path of consciousness that invites us to reconnect with our dignity, inner strength, and deep-seated memories. There comes a moment when the soul can no longer follow the same patterns, wounds, and conditionings. An inner exhaustion emerges, a silent calling to seek a higher meaning for existence. It is at this moment that the true process of transformation begins. Through the vision of T.Albert, reprioritizing our humanity offers a path where spirituality, reflection, and inner transformation converge. The philosophy of Kim Het reminds us that science and the sacred are not enemies, but two perspectives on the same truth. One helps us understand the mechanisms of the body and mind, while the other reconnects us with our spiritual dimension, ancestral memory, and the depth of our consciousness. This process of inner reconstruction is founded upon 5 fundamental pillars. 1. Learning to see with lucidity. Many move through life without true presence, unconsciously repeating fears and habits. To watch is to have the courage to observe one's life with honesty and refuse to remain blind to what weakens the mind, body, and soul. 2. The decision. To decide is to reclaim sovereignty over one's existence. It is the choice to no longer allow past wounds or external pressures to govern one's destiny. Every conscious decision becomes an act of inner liberation. 3. Breathing. A mind overwhelmed by stress cannot see clearly. Breathing allows the body to regain calm and the consciousness to return to its center. When breath unites with gratitude and movement, it fosters peace, presence, and light. 4. Action. Knowledge without action is incomplete. To act is to embody truth through daily gestures and how we treat ourselves and others. Through conscious action, we build a new inner reality. 5. Transmission. True light cannot be kept for oneself. To transmit is to make one's way of living a source of inspiration for others. The greatest legacy is the light placed within the hearts of those we encounter. As we progress along this path, guidance and accompaniment may become necessary to advance with greater clarity and discipline. When a person sincerely commits, they may experience a profound reconnection with the memory and presence of benevolent ancestors. If we wish to see Haiti rise again, we must first rise within ourselves. This path requires discipline, consciousness, and a genuine will for transformation. Inner rebirth begins the moment we decide to give a new and higher direction.